Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Alright, well there's going to be some changes to the channel guys, so stick around. Hello everybody. It's Dark Matter here with another exciting video, and in today's exciting video I'd just like to talk about the changes on YouTube and how it's affected channels, and I don't think that it's been good in some ways. I don't think it's been bad in others, and it definitely has took YouTube to a different level, and I'm afraid to say that at this point my channel has just got to change. I'd like to thank everybody that's come along with me this far, and I really appreciate all of your support. It has meant the world to me, all the support that you have all given me. And I know it can be hard to support other channels. It can be very hard at times to try to keep up, especially as you grow with your channel and you meet new people and you grow as a creator. It becomes tough. So again, I'd just like to thank those who have supported me over the last couple of years. I really appreciate it. However, at this point, I believe that it's time for a change, and I don't want you to worry, because, well, the changes is I'm going to be changing the channel name. That's the only change that's going to happen. I'm going to change the name from Dark Matter to DIY Dark Matter, and this is the reason why. Here, let me show you right here real quick why I'm doing this, okay? Let's search Dark Matter. Alright, we're going to search Dark Matter, and as you can see, I ain't found in here anywhere. Alright, now you'll see other channels in here, videos, whatnot. None of my videos, none of them are listed in here. Alright, well, you may find them if you keep searching long enough. However, by searching Dark Matter, you will not find any of my videos anytime soon. Alright, and I know this because I've been searching for them. Alright, now there is one here from Scott Taylor, Saline Scott. Alright, now he's my buddy, he's my friend here on YouTube. Alright, now this video is a video he did. It's a mail call where I sent him a ferro rod. Alright, made him very happy. I was happy to see that he was happy. Alright, but other than that, you don't find me very much in here at all. So, the change is going to be that I got to change my name, obviously. Alright, now let's go to channel filter. Alright, here's the channel filter. Check this out. Okay, of course there's an ad. Alright, but there's Dark Matter. There's Dark Matter. There's this young lady. Here's another Dark Matter, and then it goes to this Dark Matter who has 610 videos, 6,600 subscribers, 478 subscribers, 11 subscribers, and it just keeps going on and on and on. But no, I'm not there. I'm not supported here on the Dark Matter page whatsoever. YouTube does not promote me here for whatever reason. I haven't quite figured that out. Alright, and it isn't often that I get confused about YouTube, but YouTube has really confused me on this one. I don't understand it. Alright, so check this out. Now watch. I'm going to type in DIY Dark Matter, and I'll click it, and bang. There I am, right at the top of the list. Now, seems to me that a lot of video game stuff. Seems to me this is where YouTube wants me to be at for whatever reason. I don't understand it. I don't know why. Let's go to filters. We'll check out channel. See how many other ones come up. See, we get these other dark matters. There's one. There's one. So there's 3 other dark matters that fall in this category, other than me. So I'm going to have a lot of work on my hands. I'm going to have to go through all my videos and change the tags in them where I've had dark matter and put in DIY dark matter. I'm going to have to change it in my channel name. I'm going to, it's already in my tags. So I'm going to have to change out my tags. Yeah. So that's going to be the changes. So unfortunately, I am going to have to say goodbye to dark matter. As much as it aches me to do that, because I've had this name since 2008. I haven't wanted to change it. I've thoroughly enjoyed being dark matter. However, in order to be found in the search engine and make it easier for people to find my channel on YouTube, I have no other recourse than to change my name, obviously. So again, I thank everybody for supporting me, and I hope you continue to support me in the future. Thank you so very much for that. Alright, with everything being said, I hope everybody's okay with this. If you have any thoughts on it, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. And as always, I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. And I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.